Have you ever noticed how some people can make you feel exhausted without even touching you? You just got the best news of your life, you're buzzing, and you call a friend to share it. 10 minutes later, you're sitting on your couch, staring at the wall, wondering if your win even matters. That's not a coincidence. That's a robbery. We've been taught that envy looks like a movie villain, someone plotting your downfall in a dark room. But in the real world, in your world, envy looks like a congratulations, followed by a question that feels like a pinprick to a balloon. It's a silent poison. And if you don't learn how to spot it, these energy thieves will suck the life out of every dream you have until you're just as stuck and bitter as they are. Let's get real. Real friends don't just show up when you're crying. Anyone can do that. It makes people feel superior to help you when you're at your lowest. The real test, the only test that matters, is who stays standing next to you when you're winning. Because for a jealous person, your success is a personal insult. It's a mirror reflecting everything they failed to do.
Sign 1. The audit disguised as curiosity. Think about the last time you bought something nice or got a promotion. What was the first thing they asked? Was it, "I'm so proud of you"? Or was it, "Wow, how much did that cost you"? Or is that a permanent position or just a trial? See, an energy thief doesn't celebrate, they audit. They're looking for the price tag, the fine print, the catch. They need to find a reason why your win isn't actually a win. It's like you're building a beautiful house, and instead of bringing a gift for the housewarming, they show up with a magnifying glass looking for cracks in the foundation. They do this because if they can prove your success is lucky, expensive, or temporary, they don't have to feel bad about their own lack of progress. Every time you defend yourself saying, "Oh, it was on sale," or "I worked 80 hours a week for this," you are giving them a piece of your power. You are shrinking yourself so they don't feel small. Stop it. Next time they ask, "How did you afford that?" look them in the eye and say, "I worked for it." That's it. Close the door.
Sign 2. The doubt seed. The "are you sure" trap. You're finally doing it. You're starting that business, leaving that toxic relationship, or moving to a new city. You are finally brave. And then comes the whisper. "Are you sure that's a good idea right now? The economy is so bad." This is the most dangerous form of envy because it wears the mask of concern. They aren't worried about you failing, they are terrified of you succeeding. If you move forward, they get left behind. It's like you're a bird that finally found the courage to leave the cage, and the other birds are screaming that the sky is dangerous. Not because the sky is bad, but because they are too scared to fly. When they plant that doubt, they are trying to make their fear your prison. They want you to stay in the mud with them, because the mud is lonely without company. Real support sounds like, "That sounds scary, but I know you can handle it." Envy sounds like, "Be careful, I'd hate to see you get hurt."
Sign 3. The backhanded compliment, the poisoned candy. "I love how you just wear anything. I wish I was that brave." "Congrats on the new car. It's so cute. My cousin had one just like it before the engine blew up." Do those sound familiar? It's a compliment wrapped in a razor blade. It's designed to make you feel insecure the moment you should be feeling proud. Psychologically, they are trying to balance the scales. If you go up, they feel like they're going down, so they throw a but or a though at your success to pull you back to their level. Imagine you're wearing a crown, and they keep pointing out that it's slightly crooked. They don't care about the crown, they just want you to stop smiling. Don't adjust the crown, just keep walking. Let it stay crooked. Your joy is yours, and their critique is just their own insecurity leaking out. Sign 4. The copycat, identity theft. This one is weird and creepy. You get a new haircut, they get it the next week. You start using a new phrase, suddenly it's their favorite word. You start a project, and they're doing the exact same thing, but calling it their original idea. Most people say imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. No. In this context, imitation is an attempt to steal your essence. They envy you so much, they want to be you. They think that by wearing your skin, they can have your results. But here's the reframing. They can copy your moves, but they can't copy your soul. They are chasing a shadow. While they're busy trying to be a second-rate version of you, you are becoming a first-rate version of yourself. Let them copy. A photocopy is never as sharp as the original. Sign 5. The sadness at your peak. Pay very close attention to the face they make in the first 3 seconds after you tell them you won. Before the mask of the good friend goes on, there's a micro-expression. It's a slight drop of the mouth, a narrowing of the eyes, a look of genuine pain. For a split second, your happiness hurts them. Then they'll start talking about themselves. You say, "I just got engaged," and they say, "Oh, that's nice. Anyway, work was so stressful today." They're trying to starve your fire of oxygen. If they don't acknowledge it, it didn't happen. If they can move the spotlight back to their drama, they don't have to watch you shine.
Here is the truth. You don't need to confront them. You don't need to scream at them or expose them. The most powerful thing you can do is become an energy fortress. Visualize this. Every time they ask a snarky question or drop a seed of doubt, imagine a physical glass wall dropping between you and them. You can hear them, but their words can't touch your skin. The weapon is your silence. The weapon is your lack of explanation. When you stop explaining yourself, you take the remote control of your life back. If they ask, "Why did you do that?" you don't give them a 3-page essay. You just smile and say, "Because I wanted to." There is a terrifying power in a person who doesn't need validation. When you stop looking for their congratulations, they lose all their power over you. Choosing your circle. You deserve a circle that feels like a battery, not a drain. If you have to hide your wins because you're afraid of someone's reaction, that's not a friendship, that's a hostage situation. It's time to stop being a people pleaser and start being a purpose chaser. Some people are meant to be in your history, not your destiny, and that's okay. Let them stay in the past. Your life is moving fast. Your dreams are getting bigger. Don't try to fly with people who are trying to clip your wings just so they don't feel grounded. If you felt a vibe shift while listening to this, if a specific face popped into your mind, trust your gut. Your intuition is your survival kit. Stop giving your pearls to people who only want to crush them. Protect your energy. Protect your win. Comment "protected" if you're done letting energy thieves live in your head rent-free. Subscribe to stay awake. Stop living on autopilot.